Hello, baby lovers. My name is Saraya. I am Baby's daughter, and you are welcome to Baby's Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making the popular Nigerian drink, Zobo. So, did you know that Zobo is also called hibiscus tea? For adults, the benefits of drinking Zobo slash hibiscus tea are: it helps with high blood pressure, it prevents you from having kidney stones, and it helps with anti-stress. For kids, it serves as a source of vitamin C for the immune system, and it contains health minerals such as calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium for bones. Basically, the overall well-being of a child. And yeah, I highly recommend this drink as a perfect substitute for your regular soft drinks. For my Zobo, I'll be using hibiscus flower, clove, ginger, pineapple fruit, and sweetener. But not to worry, if you miss anything along the line, the recipes will be detailed in the description. Now that we have everything in our pot, it's time to heat it up. Now that our Zobo is cooking, it's time to blend our sweet, nice pineapple. If you notice, I didn't dispose my pineapple peel because it has its own benefits in my Zobo. It adds more flavor. Now that I finished blending my pineapple, I am going to filter it and squeeze all the juice out. How do you know when your Zobo is ready? You start to smell the aroma from wherever in your house you are, and you'll notice that the color has changed to maybe more bright popping red like now. You can see. In my humble opinion, when I was in culinary class, I learned that Zobo can actually be the second medicine for heart diseases and stress. It also helps with weight loss. Let me know in the comments section how many benefits I have mentioned, and if you have any others in mind that I didn't mention, please write them below. Now that my Zobo is ready, I'm adding my sweetener. For me, it's preferable over my sugar because I don't want my Zobo too sweet. Now, as you see, I'm putting my Zobo in a jug and sending it to the freezer because it is best served cold. This is the end of the video, so please smash the like button and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel for more mouth-watering delicacies. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.